Hey there, and welcome to the complete guide to Shopify Flow. This fully updated course is the first of its kind Udemy course completely dedicated to Shopify Flow, helping you go from beginner to advanced in no time. I built this course because when I started using Shopify Flow in my career, I searched for a resource like this, but I couldn't find one. So I created the course I wish I had to help you learn faster and level up your Shopify skills. Why learn Shopify Flow? Shopify powers over 2 million merchants worldwide and is one of the fastest growing e-commerce platforms in the world. These merchants support millions of jobs and professionals working in the Shopify ecosystem. If you want to boost your Shopify career in this ecosystem, mastering Shopify Flow is a game changer. Shopify Flow automates tedious store management tasks, saving you time, money, and a lot of manual effort by making your business more efficient. If you're a Shopify administrator, e-commerce manager, or store owner, Flow skills are in demand, and mastering them can put you ahead of the competition and increase your employability and earning potential. During the course, we'll build approximately 10 real-world flows over 4 hours of video content. The course is constantly updated with new flows based on student feedback and is also updated with new Shopify releases. So with every future Shopify release, you can come back to the course to keep your skills sharp. So how does the course work? We'll start by setting up your free Shopify development store so you can practice everything hands-on. After that, I'll introduce you to Shopify Flow and walk you through the back end of Shopify. Then we'll dive into real-world automation exercises. Each exercise is based on a real-life business scenario. First, we'll define a problem together that we're going to solve in Flow, and then we'll move into a live demo in Shopify where you follow on with me as we build the solution together. The exercises start with the basics to ensure you won't struggle if you've never used flows before. As we move along, we gradually introduce more and more advanced concepts at a steady pace so you can maximize your learning. When you buy the course, not only do you get access to all of our exercises, but you also get access to online Q&A forums where our community of students and teaching assistants are happy to help out with any questions you have. Once you've completed the course, you'll also get a certificate of completion which you can show off on your LinkedIn profile to potential employers. The course is 100% risk-free. If you're not happy with the course, you can get a full refund within 30 days, no questions asked. So don't miss out, enroll now and start mastering Shopify Flow today.